Hi my friends, how are you guys doing? Welcome to another video. Hi all my subscribers, how are you doing? So as you can see before you, we have both kits that you guys were voting on, whether it be floral or black magic. And today I am going to be revealing that. So which do you think won? Black magic edition or floral edition? I'll give you a second. Ta-da! Floral won. Floral won. My landslide was like 15-3. So Floral won. As you can see, I've put floral washi tape on there. There was your hint. So we are going to be kitting up the floral edition of Paint Gem. Super excited. But first, what we're going to do is we are going to make our photo album for the floral edition. So I'll kind of show you guys how I do it. I just cut this off. Because I want the word in there, floral. I want the words floral edition in there. Now, you guys can do it however you want. I'm following Joan Diamond Paints. If you guys know Joan, please go over, give her some love. She has an awesome channel, and I got this idea from her. I've been watching her for a long time. So she's such a sweet person. She actually lives in the same state that I do, which is kind of cool. So, okay, we don't need this part. You guys are like, what are you doing? Why are you cutting all this weird stuff off? Okay, so for now, I keep this how it is. I keep this how it is. So it kind of sticks out of the, actually, do I cut it down more than this? I can't remember. No, I think I just keep it like this. So what I do is this is gonna go like this on the front. And so what we want is we want to double side tape this down. This is not high tech. So I am not like, things need to be perfect person. So right about, let's see. I kind of like to do it this way. I will barely put it down. And then just, yeah, that works. So I'll put it right there. And then I put some tape. Ugh, this tape dispenser is so horrible. I have to like use all of my strength to like, it's like the teeth on it don't work very well. Okay, so just like that. And then I just carefully, and the tape is sticking out. Okay, so I don't want that right there. Is this gonna pull the, oh good, it didn't. And I'm just gonna center it like that. And it's on there, okay? And so I can, let's see, I can put a piece of tape down here. Just barely at the very, 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 very edge of it here. And I'll just cut this off. There we go. There we go. So there it is, my floral edition, and my pictures go, or my paint gems go in here when I'm done. And for now, what I do, oops, well, be careful when you're opening it up. For now, I just put this in here. Let's see if I can make this any smaller. Well, I kind of can't because I need these. A little bit. That's about all I can cut it down for now. So I just keep this in the first one. If it sticks up, it sticks up. It's okay. I need it for later when I'm completely done with this, with the kit. And I need to cut some of this off too. Okay. I don't need the sides. I just need the flowers. And we're going to make a decision wheel for this. Oh, good. It does fit perfectly. Okay. So this is ready to go now for when I'm done with my pictures. I just put them in there. Let's get our kit out. If you haven't seen the unboxing of this, you can go and take a look at it. It's on my channel. Or no, I haven't unboxed it. This is the floral kit of Paint Gems. So let's take a look at it. So with Paint Gems, you get a toolkit. You get your standard tray, a pad of wax, a pair of plastic tweezers, a diamond painting pen, 2 multi-placers, and a squishy. And you get those, it's the same for every kit for Paint Gems. So, and we've got our drills, and it says floral on them, so you can store these separately. These are resin drills. They're really, really nice drills. And let's take a look at the flowers. I don't think I've unboxed this. I might have, but oh well, we're kitting it up anyway. So let's take a look. So it looks like sunflowers, irises maybe, poppies, lavender, lilies maybe. I don't know. A peony. That one I don't know. A rose. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. We have some. Shoot. I can't remember. Don't know what this one is. Nope. You guys might know those. Okay, so those, and there's 12 of them. There's 12 of these. So those are what we're working with. Okay, and we have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We have 31 colors. And I put a bunch of washi tape on. I wasn't sure how many we were gonna have. So I'm gonna get these out. If you guys have seen me do this, you'll know how I kit up Paint Gems. I've got my static guard because Paint Gem is notorious for static, and I mean notorious. And I don't believe, we put everything in color order, so we are going to put everything in number order. So 800, oh, we got a loose drill here. 400, 300, 900, 3,800, 435, 435, 434. Oh, wait, I thought I had a 435. Nope. Now I do. 550, 208, 209, 211. We don't have a 3. Yeah, we do. 333, 37, 340. Okay, 3,700, 600. Do we have a 600 yet? No. I'm losing drills here, guys. 602, 603, 605, 818. Oh, this is 900. 818, 319. Got a lot of 319. Well, it's the green, so 905, 906, 907, 741. We don't have a 700s, do we yet? No, 700. Oops, let's put them right here. 641, 972, 972, 307. Ouch, my back is killing me today. 739. Okay, 712 and 3865. Okay. All right, so we're going to put these in alphabetical order. So we're going to start with A. Do we have a B? We do. And you guys, with these stickers, I have had horrible luck with getting them off of my containers. So I refuse to put them on my containers. I insist on using washi tape now. C, D, E, F. Do we have an F? Yes. I'm using the individual cubes here, so G. They're not the ones that are connected, is what I'm saying. G, H. I'm trying really hard not to get them on the stickers on my containers. H. Do we have an I? We do. It's a dark color. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, O, say, P. Do we have a Q? Probably not. We do have a Q. R. I just thought they wouldn't have one because of the O, but okay. R, S. And I will be getting out my crystals and my ABs to go with these. T. U. I saw you. Hey, you. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Now we're going into numbers. You guys, I forgot. You guys, there's 2 W's. What in the world? There's 2 W's. There's a W right there, and there's a W right. Am I on crack? There's 2 W's. That's not going to be fun. Because what? Okay. That was a big old fat mistake. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna really have to watch out for that. And I'm gonna save these stickers, these labels, even though they stick on everything. I'm gonna go ahead and save them for future projects. Okay. Now, if I need to put more, it doesn't look like there's bags that won't fit in these cubes, but okay, save those. Okay, so we need 307, I'm just going to get this ready because I don't see any static, knock on wood, but from my experience, it's just nothing but trouble. Yeah, I don't see any. If I can get these out. Oh, it's taped closed. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna use my tray. Sorry, I have to. I'm not talented enough to not use my tray. I know my limits. The 307 is pretty, I bet this is part of the sunflowers. Okay, B is 818. This one has static. Oh, maybe not. It was just sucked up in the bag. Guys, I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's just keep this going. I've never had this happen before. It always takes me so long to kit up paint gems. Wouldn't this be amazing? Oops, there's a drill right here. Okay, then we have 906 right here. Maybe just the sheer threat of my static guard, do you think? And they were like, no, we can't have static. She's got the static guard. Oops, I dropped some here. Oops. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Like I always say, but I really do mean it. I really, really, really mean it. When I say I hope you guys are doing good, I really mean it. Oh, is this the one that has a hard time closing? Yes. 319. Ooh, this one's pretty full. Okay, we got random drills here. I have no idea what colors these go to. They're greens, but they're not the greens that I have out. Okay, this might need an extra cube, which would suck right now, because I would have to move everything over. It's gonna need more than one cube. For sure. Why couldn't it have been, well, that wouldn't have mattered. Okay. This is gonna be a huge pain. Let's see. I need to move it over even more. Wait, how am I gonna do this now? Why am I so confused? I need to make a space right here. Okay, oh, this is gonna be, no, this is not gonna be, okay, Rami, you're okay. It's all right. Yeah, I like these individual ones. See, if I would have been using the ones that are all connected, then it would have really messed me up. You know what I mean? Because they would have all been labeled. And I mean, I could just label it, get another label and label it, but where do these drills keep coming from? From the bag, from like the tops of the baggies or something? I don't know. There's like, I keep pulling drills up. Okay. Okay, next one. 433. I'm excited to do this one. Thank you guys for voting and picking this one out. Thanks. I really want to do the Black Magic one too, but this is, I'm looking forward to doing this. I really am. And I'm going to be doing shorts on this every day that I finish one. So whenever I finish one, I will be doing a short and a decision wheel, 605. I will be doing a decision wheel on what my next one's going to be. So make sure that you check every once in a while on my shorts so that you can see which one I'm picking, or which one the decision wheel is picking next. So I did that with my geometric ones too, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Okay, 603 is the next one. I just pinched my finger in that one. Ouch. I wish I could keep these baggies, but they've got these stickers on them, don't come off. Yeah, they don't come off. Such a waste. I guess I could keep them and put a label over the top of them, but that's not what I would be using them for. Okay, H is 739. Okay. Yeah, I will be definitely blinging these up. I just basically use one of my mesh bags, and I find because these are all squares, Paint Gems are all squares. That's got a little bit of static in it. And I just use the a mesh bag, and then I put all of the bottles of ABs. My ABs are all in bottles. In the mesh bag, and then I put the bags of crystals in HK 602 is the next one, in the mesh bag. So that way I've got them all there, and I put a yellow highlighter on the ones that have ABs on these labels. I highlight it in yellow, and then the ones that have crystals, I highlight it in pink, so that I can just simply look at it and go, oh, wait, I don't want to use this one. I want to use the AB or whatever. Okay, 600. It's just easier that way for me. I think it's easier. So I think I mentioned this in another video, but I ordered, I have a project already in mind for July. I know. Last day of May, and I'm already thinking of July. But I already have a project that I'm going to be doing in July, and I ordered the enhancement pack from DP Sparklers, and I'm so excited. I haven't received it yet, but I'm really excited. The painting is just so freaking adorable. I love it so much. So, okay, 340. Yes. Again, more drills. Like, that's a red one. I don't know. It must be coming out of when I'm opening the baggies, and I'm just not noticing it. Yeah, if you guys haven't tried Paint Gems, I am not a sponsor of Paint Gems. I don't have any affiliation with Paint Gem whatsoever. But if you're ever in the market for something, you know, that you want to do that's 3865, that's, you know, small. I mean, you could take these anywhere. You could take these camping. You could take these anywhere. If you're literally, like, you have to go visit somebody in the hospital or something, and you're staying there for a while, or somebody's getting some tests done, or well, that's horrible, but you know what I mean, like anywhere. These have a little bit of static, so we're just gonna go around them a little bit here. It takes me, depending on the paint gem, and again, you know, the kits are all different, obviously. Like the doors one was pretty intricate. There was a lot of different colors and all that kind of stuff on there. And then the geometric one didn't really have that many colors. So depending on which, and like this one, I don't know how long these are going to take me. but it takes about an hour to an hour and a half, tops 2 hours, tops, to do one of these. Tops. That's if you're, you know, you're just literally like leisurely, like maybe you're watching a show or something and you're diamond painting, because that can slow you down watching TV. Oh, I'm getting a lot of extra drills. Okay, 37.46. I can't believe there's 2 W's. What in the world is going on with that? What do you think happened, you guys? I guess they just printed 2 W's. Did anybody else, has anybody else done the floral and that happened on the, with them too? Let me know down in the comments. Have you done the floral one? And if so, did you have 2 W's? Huh. Let me know. I know one of my subscribers has already done the floral because she voted for Black Magic. I'm sorry, hon. It's floral. Yeah, if you could just let me know if you have 2 W's. I'd be interested to know. I would be interested. KPQ 208. This is great with the lack of static. I'm ecstatic. Oh, I'm here every Tuesday. Okay, 550. Now this has got to go. No, this doesn't. What the heck? Okay, where are all these drills coming from? I want to know. Like I picked this bag up and a completely different purple came out of it, the top. You know how they kind of get stuck on the top sometimes? Okay, 905. There's another one. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot in this one. Will it require another one? It might. This might require another one too. We'll see. I think it will. Yeah. Well, at least I'm farther down here. So let's see. Wait, what letter was that? Was it S? Yeah, it was S. Oops. Well, now I know where these drills are coming from, but okay. Letter T, did I get them all? Yeah, I did. 435 is right here. Ooh, just a little bit of this one. This must be on just one of the paintings, huh? Wonder what flower that's for. Oh, aren't they called violets? Is that what I was trying to think of with the little purple flower, violets? I think so. Remember when I was showing you guys pictures and I'm like, oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. I think those are violets. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oops, there's a blue one in here. Well, you're staying for the ride, buddy. You're staying for now. Okay, 712. Looks like it might have a little bit of static in it, maybe. Yeah, it does. Hardly any. I will get them one there in the cube. It's just easier that way. And is this one gonna need another? No. Kind of staticky. Sticking to the end of my tray. Love the Static Guard, you guys. If you haven't tried it, just, you know, think about it. Works great. Okay, so we have our first W, 3747. What? How weird. Oh, I did miss a drill. My bad. How absolutely bizarre. I've never had this happen before. So strange. Things to ponder. What was going on at the factory this day? Because that really is going to be a pain, because I'll just see the number. Well, I'll just have to really pay attention. Okay, 9. What is it? 938. Tricky, tricky. I mean, they're completely different colors, which is great, you know. 741. So that's not an issue. It's not like there's two W's and they're both green or something like that, you know. Oops, what am I doing? Yeah, one is like a dark red and one's a very light blue, so. But still, it, you know, it could throw you off if you're in the middle of doing it. And I mean, for me, it might throw me off, because sometimes I'm not always, I just kind of grab if I see a letter or a symbol, you know. I'm excited to start my Country Riders. 907. Okay. Ooh. 3801. Oh, we're down to the last few here. Doing great. Okay, and 498. These are all nice, pretty reds, burgundies. Yeah, that's where these are coming from, is from the, like, the lip of these baggies. Okay, that makes sense. And for me, spilling them all over the place. Oops, did I bump you guys? Sorry. Come on, get in there. This one has just a little bit of static. There. Needed a little bit of help. Okay. 312 or 321. My bad. I wanted to take the opportunity to let you guys know again that you can ask me any question in any video, whether it be a personal question or anything that you're curious about me or my channel or whatever, or my family, and I will answer them in my next whip and chat. Okay, so feel free to leave down in the comments whatever question you would like me to answer, and I will hold on to that question until my next whip and chat, okay? And yeah, I will address it, so leave it down below. And just like that, we were kitted up. Look at that, how beautiful, huh? There it is, and here's my extra stickers and my flowers, and I don't really need this kit, but I will keep it. All right, my friends, thank you so much for helping me today. I appreciated it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe and like bucket. Yeah, can you hit the bucket button? It would really help out my channel a lot. I really would appreciate that. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you later. Loves.